So basically, Chantilly is a vanilla cake and it's fruit filled. Now this is just simple syrup, almond extract, and raspberry syrup. Give it a little sweetness as it soaks into the cake. We're gonna take our mascarpone icing, and we're gonna go around the edges. We're gonna take orange extract and about 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna zest our orange. And Chantilly. Take it and mix it up in there. Now we're gonna fill our cake. And this is just strawberry, raspberry, and blueberries. With of course our orange zest. And we're basically gonna repeat that step. Our last layer. And that's our Chantilly cake.
Chantilly.
Chantilly.
Shin.
Shan.
Shan.
Like a shant?
Chant.
Like chant?
Chant.
Chantilly.
Chantilly.